Hello, my lovely friends! Today we're making soft, cheesy mini pizza bites completely from scratch. Stay with me and let's create tiny bites of happiness together. We need flour, warm water, yeast, sugar, salt, a little oil, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and small tasty toppings. Let the yeast rest for 5 minutes until foamy. This is what makes the dough soft and airy. Mix slowly until all the flour becomes a smooth, soft dough. Knead for about 10 minutes until smooth and stretchy. This builds soft texture inside the pizza bites. Let the dough rise for about 1 hour until doubled and airy. Press gently to keep the dough light and ready for shaping. Cut small equal pieces, perfect tiny pizza bites. Perfect tiny pizza bites. Musikkeit. Flatten gently to create small soft pizza bases. Just a little sauce on each bite. Cheese first, then colorful toppings for perfect flavor. Cheese first, then colorful toppings for perfect flavor. Bake for about 15 minutes until golden and melty. Look at these beautiful golden bites. They look so perfect. Simple plating makes homemade food feel special. So soft, cheesy, and perfectly delicious. Follow me for more simple homemade recipes, and let's keep cooking beautiful moments together.